Hey guys, what up? This is Nico here, and without any further ado, this is the Turbulent Displace effect. Alright, so you're gonna import your picture or video or whatever you want, and then you're gonna search up Turbulent Displace and drag it in here. Alright, so you're gonna see this warpy effect, right? So you wanna play with the amount and the size as you wish, of course. And then you're gonna keyframe the amount and the size and go to the end of the clip and then play with the size a little bit more, like increase it, and the amount will be 0. Move a couple of frames out of the picture and make it on 0 as well. Alright, so this is the final result right here. Looks pretty cool. That is it, pretty simple. If you want to do it to your photos, to your videos, it applies to everything and it looks really cool. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Hope this helped you. Stay safe. Peace.